This is OnePlus 11, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app. In here, at the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at this green install button over here, or go for the app page and tap at the same button, but this time at the app's dedicated store page. Now we will wait for it to get downloaded and installed, and since this is a very lightweight app and this phone is pretty fast, this, as you can see, does not take a lot of time. Now you can just go ahead and launch it. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you are interested in enabling notifications for Opera or setting it as your default browser app right off the bat. And finally, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.